Good morning. We are the
Honest Group.
My name is Courtney Harvin. I'm the group leader, and I am also the food chemist.
My name is Don. I am a sensory scientist.
My name is Ken Darius Walls, and I'm the marketing partner.
My name is Rakaria Horton, and I'm over food engineering.
My name is Michelle Oliver, and I'm the microbiologist.
So our product is the loaded potato bomber. It is an appetizer that will also be a frozen appetizer that you can take home and heat up whenever you want to snack. Our target group was primarily 18 to 50 years old. We chose this group because it's the age range for college students to come home and have a snack maybe after class or something in that nature, or even if you're an adult who's entertaining friends. It's a nice, unique treat to give to people when you're entertaining. In 2013, 4.7% was up in the snack industry. So we chose this appetizer because it's something that anybody can enjoy on an average day. Our objective is to provide, as the Honest Group, to provide honest ingredients to our consumers. Nowadays, a lot of products contain a lot of things that a lot of consumers who sometimes don't read the labels, it's all natural ingredients that you can find just in your grocery store usually, and there are no preservatives in our food as well.
Okay, so next we have our materials and methods. Our product is categorized as a frozen snack, and here listed is a picture of our raw ingredients, which are potatoes, gluten-free panko, breadcrumbs, smoked Gouda cheese, half and half, butter, spinach, eggs, triple cheese blend, green onions, salt, spices, and it also contains milk and eggs.
Okay, moving along to our flow process chart. First, we'll receive the raw ingredients, which is the potatoes. It will go on to the peel and wash where there's a continuous washing system going on. It actually works to prevent buildup for the debris of potato peels. And then it's going to be moved on to be injected into the boiler, which boils at adjustable times. For this particular boiler that we're using, it's also stainless steel. After our boiler, we have our mixer, which is a batch system where it mixes herbs, powders, liquids all together. And it also has adjustable time, mixing time, and speed. And moving on from our mixer, it will be injected into our pump tank where our mold and filler is next for our system. It will mold our spear potatoes where a tray is underneath our molder, and then it will be injected with our cheddar cheese for our filler. After our mold and filler, we'll have our sprayer where it goes under an egg wash, and then after our egg wash, it will be coated with our panko crumbs. After that particular setting, we'll have our fryer, which is set at 6 to 30 seconds for our fryer. And then after that, it will be moved on into a conveyor belt for our freezer, which is our RQF machine. And this actually has an installed packaging system on it, so it'll also be packaged in our plastic material. And after that, it'll be moving on to our packaging, which at this point, it'll be packaged in our carton containers. After packaging our carton containers, we'll have it stored in our freezer to be kept at appropriate temperature, and then we'll distribute our product.
All right, next we have our conjoint analysis within our company, and our company was focused more on the flavor of our product. As we said, we chimed in at 25%, said the flavor was the most important attribute of our product. As we go into our sensory, our demographics shows that 89% of our panelists were African American, and 65% were women, and 35 were men. The subject selected the flavor perception of our potato bomber at 90% saying that it was flavorful, and overall acceptance was between likely moderate and likely extremely was at 75%. And we used a 9-point hedonic scale to give the panelists something to grade us by in our product. So overall, we know that we have a good product.
Okay, moving along to shelf life testing. In our shelf life testing, we actually tested two products the same product in two different states. One of the products were at the storage time, it was cooked and frozen, and the next one we actually microwaved and we did our testing. What we actually did, we took 25 grams of the sample and homogenized it with 60 milliliters of Peptone water, and then we did dilution factors of negative 10 to the negative 3, 10 to the negative 2, and 10 to the negative 1 for the first 3 days, which are day 0, 2, and 7. And after experiencing no growth between those 3 days, we actually used the swab method, where we actually swabbed the product, and we had no growth, no colony forming units on our plates. So after that, we did a comparative analysis with our other competitors, which were TGI Friday, and that's how we came up with our shelf life estimated time of our product lasting from at least 2 to 3 months.
And for our packaging plastic, it'll be packaged in low density polyethylene plastic. And this particular bag will be placed into a carton container. We chose low density because it has good tensile strength, tear strength, and it's chemical resistant.
Okay, for the marketing part, our production costs from after adding up the ingredients came out to $1.76 per package. We wanted to do the sale price at $4.50. This is 42 cents cheaper than our competitor, which is TGI Fridays. They're priced at $4.98. So we figured this would give us a slight advantage over selling against them. And with the gross margin, that gives us a gross margin of $2.74 with a markup of 15%. Our ideal launch locations are near the southeastern regions. These are the neighboring states around Alabama, such as Mississippi, Georgia, Florida, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Louisiana. As Courtney stated earlier, our target market is between the ages of 18 to 50. We also want to not only sell our products in local grocery stores, but also we can see our product going into local restaurants and local bars for all bacon and potato lovers.
If you notice the nutritional label, calories were 220. Our serving size are 2 balls, totaling 125 grams. After doing analysis, we noticed that it contained 20% of calcium, which making it a good source of calcium to enjoy. So not only are you getting a nice fried snack, but you're also getting some calcium from it, which I think is really good. In conclusion, we can see our product expanding to become something very big. And not only just from loaded potato bombers, we want to do line of stitches and expand into other products, staying in the appetizer market because it's such a wide market to be in. And that is our presentation for today. If you have any questions, this is our packaging. We have our HACCP plan prepared for you, as well as some appetizers to try, the loaded potato bombers to try.